The VA clinic in Harlingen says they're already hiring more staff and implementing new practices to decrease wait times.
This after the clinic was named for having the longest wait times in the country. Action 4's Grande joins us with more on what veterans are calling for.
The Harlingen VA clinic says they're making changes after the VA came under fire this spring for delays in health care and processing claims. And now they're reaching out to veterans to get them enrolled. Working with the American Legion, the VA clinic in Harlingen is trying to right its wrongs, asking how it can improve. A disabled veteran, Joe Lewis of La Feria, says the quality of his care has gotten worse over time.
The biggest problem is that there's just not enough doctors nor other employees at the VA to do what they should be doing.
The Texas Valley Coastal Bend facility in Harlingen averaged a 145-day wait for new patients seeking specialist care, the nation's worst backlog. That's why Harlingen VA Clinic Director Robert Walton says they are hiring.
In Harlingen and McAllen, we're also adding additional primary care teams just to make sure people get seen timely and get to see their own provider. Because we do have access issues in some of the specialties like eye and audiology, so we know we have to make improvements in those as well to get timely care to veterans.
World War II vet George Burns says he's already seen improvements.
I was in there 30 minutes to get a prescription renewed. And before, well, sometimes I had to go back 3 or 4 times, and I wouldn't get it the same day.
One way the wait time has been reduced is through outsourcing.
Our number of vouchers has increased significantly as we try to improve access.
To ensure that access is improved, the American Legion is visiting areas across the country seriously affected by delays in VA healthcare and claims processing, like Harlingen, listening to veterans' experiences.
And that's really what our objective is let's make sure that veterans understand how to maneuver through the bureaucracy and to ensure that veterans get the disability benefits, to get enrolled in VA healthcare, and make sure we get them moving towards a sense of satisfaction with the VA system.
You know, they promised us this stuff. Now I think they ought to deliver it.
Now, if you have questions or concerns about VA healthcare, staff from this clinic will be at the La Feria American Legion all day tomorrow to help you out. For all the details, visit valleycentral.com. In Harlingen, Brett Crandall, Action 4 News.
And tomorrow's Help Clinic is open to veterans and their families.
Now, veterans care, just one of many topics to be addressed during our gubernatorial debate this Friday. Attorney General Greg Abbott, Senator Wendy Davis set to square off in one of the biggest debates in Texas history. Action 4 News co-hosting along with Telemundo 40 and The Monitor at the Edinburgh Conference Center at Renaissance. Now, you can watch it live starting at 6 right here on Action 4. You can also see a live stream event on valleycentral.com.